Monchumuligereria na gukwaniri handonzi ya soberetase marugoba ya bono chinga kichinde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya nyari gukumanyagati yari atwabereto gukwaliganiria kurose mambia yalengentambe hukachinse chigabono chiabono marugoba ekero yaragire Ensa Eyemo nyari kugusansamuranira aseribwa ritukeriga rya Jumatano chitariki 30 omuti nyo gatatu mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2022 na mange abereka okolekana nyirobuna abasobatu babere Ensa Eyemo ya Nyamataro nigo banyara kubekubyara asekerenga buna nigo bakobangaina abasacha kuruchi county chinde baika chinse mechina kubayibera chibesa chiabo ayu amo nenda mange ninchigo kumanya se boikiranu oria tokubwaterana nere asumuno abimanyereryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritere ninche nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Nigotogo chaka kuruwase nsemelia yechisemi maiga ya matemu a KCP kunyara gosoka matuka makaetire nigo chiskuru awe ikabono chigenrete numo chengobo eskuru ya St. Peter's Kisi Academy ngati chiskuru chigokereta matemu ayo a KCP unomulika ito brand saginisena agotumanya.
Esukuru ya St. Peter's Academy egotoka ase wadi ya bogia kumubonchari county ya Kisi nero tetigiri magega sogo chengera machibi ya matemu abuato kwa litukira Jumatano nomo waziri wechisemi moske Professor George Magoha abuase banyolete Emilia Max Chimisato merongetane tato na abere na korengana na borobo nigo bakorete byakigima gekorenganwa no mwaka weta
Nyasaye tumanyete okoriro ogwanja kwaye ando bekiro koboko kwa ya se skuru yeito bana baito mbakorete buya mwana mutangani na babwate amax yare 400 na 16 max wanyorete igare 382 sorry bana baito mbakorete buya mande togenta gwakira Nyasaye mbia mono.
I'm Harriet Mama Rose Manyange. My daughter got 410. I'm so happy for her. She has made me a proud mother.
Ningo gate nama tokya beta se skuru uruya chake toka kuigeraiga. Togore Nyasaye ngambia mona sonsi.
Korengana na aborokigwa naboigo aborokya beskuru nigo onsi achete korengana no gwanja kwa monguru egasiengia kurwasa baiboli aborokigwa aborokya naboigo abanyakenyoro bensemeyo.
I'm Rose Manyange. I had 410 in my KCP and I was very happy. I was at home. I didn't expect it, so by God's grace, and I thank him for he's the one who brought me this far. And I'm happy that I got my marks and I wish to go to a national school.
Okay, I'm Maxwell Bundi, pupil from St. Peter's. In KCP of 2022 I got 408 marks, which I expected because in recent exams we had done I was having 400, which showed good results at the end, and after doing the exam I was very sure I would get 400 and above.
My name is Ian Kerima and I got 407 marks. When I got the marks I was so happy, and that was the marks that I was expecting to get.
Nigo bono aborokia bubarure segetogo kya sebonsi bali bakorete byena bali batanyolete korengana no kugania kwabo kogenderera kobeka omokya ase ebirengo byonsi bya masomo
Nabatolo no mogoko monene asengenjo abana baito banyalete okora amatemu aya na kubwa mono enkoganeria ababande na baro batanyolete amagisi 400 na baro batwara omoyo nande batwara omokia bwo soma elinde banyale koba bagocha koba egente ya chinga kichire mutwe.
Incorporated Ndizi TV kurwase county ya Kisi eresera Brian Sagini Isena.
Biamono Brand Sagni Sena hasorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikeranu gotigana nere Brand Sena rigotokomerana na Ndemo Steven oyo gotumanyibuna umworokia oyomo oyubono ora ase skuru ya St Peters omanyekanete serieta Moses Nyandusi maiga yogo etero botaka na kurwa senke tali kwenyara iganya retega konyora Max Chiminye na 15 neli morobochi rwa senchira yobo ikeranu
Nonyega tiechi skuru chigendrete gochengero konyora kwa boro kigubaya samatemwa KCP 2021 asogete kero moro kiguna bwato mugano yobene esabari ya itenta benige gotoikia sekenyorokia bunyando nyavale bugia kumu ward astoko manyoro moro kigu Moses Nyandusi we skuru ya St Peters Academy kalene ya mate yaye.
I was glad by getting 416 marks. And it's only by God's mercy.
With Moses was a very hard-working boy, a disciplined boy.
Kapaka na vete surprise timboka. Makanga sinoni no ane ukuragire ndagira amaene nagogete muno. Sana sokorore euchumbe nkabuni.
Moses no moro kiwo kwa rabuno gweta kwaye ningo kwa irama sabono mukyo monene gokolengani nenka korwe bwato kwenyara wainse no bubuyibwangi noro mutakanwa.
People were just laughing, but for me I knew what I was doing with my God.
Actually Moses comes from a very humble background and we had to assist him with all what he needed as a school.
Nonye karegatia boro kigubata nganeta soro gongorwa gusi tabwati bole mubune ya mate ya yene nyare goisani chibesa chiragani gwase National School ararangerigu
nona sakuraro kushoso aga insa kurara ni chibunia noni gitandankeyo okuiguta gukwa kurega negasi.
By now I am hopeless, helpless and helpless, wondering on how I will go to school because my mother cannot raise the amount needed for me to go to that school. But from the Kenyan citizens, I would like your help. I would like you to help me to get to the school where I will make my life and I will be an important citizen in this our country.
Nigo ngokore kulima mugundu n'abanyolere kibarari andete nkegoisana
bari bamanyete mangana yaiga besoanani umwana yagende muna chindoto chiaye chire egere ache gokonye kinyoriki gusakonya ngina
buna botambe nigo bagoteba buna kego change yokiranyare gutanga muntu gusonde bwensi obwato moki asekende gyonsikeri yako nekura kitwe manyiri gwetera omugano ye Moses onyara gweta buya nonyega korwase amate ebwato konyara gwainse sebona basabiro bokonyi kwene kibura nanyare kwende secondary iliaganeti koenda buna botambe nigo bagoteba Amayia ogende ko report rigetaseni kya Ndizi TV kurwaiga sense moya bunyando St Peters ebunge ya Bonchari elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
Biamono omulikito Ndemo Steven na sorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikiranu gotigara boigo asomo chengo bwa matemo a KCP ayo abakaga gosokana koraligo n'umuwaziri w'isemi Professor George Magoa eskuru ya St Andrews kawe meye county ya Nyamira ngati y'ikskuru cyabaye cyokora byanasa bagendrete gucengira amatemo yo aboroki amona aboroki gwani gobate na okubwatera no kuya no koiwera ngati ya biri byasegedete skuru yo korabya buno muri kitokura se county ya Nyamira Job Mahange agotomanya
ekero aboro kigwa abalimu n'abayiboli bagenderete gocengera ogwecabya kwabana asamatemu a KCPE ntwa batogotalera esukuru eyemo ime county ya Nyamira elinde kumanya obobisi bwogwetabya esukuru ya St Andrews Kawa Primary Boarding School Nyansiongo negati ekisukuru cyetetebuya asamatemu ayo omorokyo monene bw'esukuru eyo Peter Nyamweya norokya omogoko monene kyagera banyorete mini ya magisi timisato 52
ntwakora amatemu buya sana omwana mutangani gabwata max 419 akorokwa Trevor onwanga mageto n'abande 12 nabo babwata max chiminye na kugendera uchigoro
natebo kubwaterana kwa balimu abaiboli aborokigwa aborokia nabateneneri besukuru nega chiamangana agerete bagaeta buya
igo gokoro kobia goko bwaterana amo gwaito asaba mna into abalimu gaige skuru ngima abalimu beruete kabisa bali nekerenge kamo kyokonya abana ndiri banyara gukora biya igo abalimu n'abantu bobwatomukiga iskuru
aborokia mbatebo gukora omukia kwa abana okorenda ebiro nokwero kwa aborokia nabwo obobisi bwabo.
Because of time management, number 2, there is that what we call teamwork. It is the one which has made us to go this far. The boys were very disciplined. They have given us this salary because what we are directing, they are ready to get that.
Omorokigwa otanganite na orokia omusasoko omanene na koiraneria abaiboli na aborokia mbya mono asoko musira.
My name is Tony Mogere Gisege. I am from St. Andrew Kagwa Boys. In this exam I scored 413 marks. In this exam I scored 413 marks. And I want to join Alliance High School. And in the future I want to become a neurosurgeon. I'd also like to thank my teachers for the support they gave me so that I will be able to score these marks.
Abaiboli mbatogia esukuru ejo asoko baegekera abana babo buya.
To ask those parents who are capable outside there who want to look at schools, who want to look for schools that can nurture character that teach the school.
Huyu kijana hakuwa msumbufu, alikuwa amejitolea kwa kazi yake, vile kushirikiana mzazi, mwalimu pamoja na mwanafunzi.
Kurwase County ya Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Biyamuno umulikito Job Maangi kurwase County ya Nyamira hasoroboti rwasenchira yoboikiranu bono gotigara samangana rengete chiseme anana matemwa manene a KCPE yo mwaka bw'ikiri bubere na merongebere no yomo eskuru ya embassy egotoka se County ya Kisi abaiboli aboroki wa amona aborokia igobagandrete gochengera amatemwa yo abagakorarigwa umulikito Mildred Mumanyi no roboti rwasenchira yoboikiranu.
Amatuko aberoka atigaire magaya matemwa amanene ye kirasi gya 5 na 3 osoka abo ase abarokigwa kurwa chinsemo au bagenderete gochengera amachibu abo ase skuru yoboroso ya Kisi Embassy nigo na barubo bachengera amachibu abo ase omwana omutangani abwata magisi chiminye na 5 nganonye emini yabo ya 9 omwaka oyo buna omo director agoteba.
So it has been doing well. It's a school that actually has been doing well. Last year we had a mean of 388, whereby this year it was a drop from what we expected. But as you all know, children are never the same. A bit disappointed, given that we expected some men our best to score around 430 marks, and then the mark came down to 405, which was quite a disappointment even to maybe our best.
Indeed, to me, I'm happy and delighted with the results that our pupils scored. As a school, we appreciate those learners. Previously, we were aiming at scoring a very high mean score, but what has come is 375 marks. We thank God for that. As a head teacher, I really congratulate my teachers who work entirely hard and gave us that result.
The highest pupil had 405 and the lowest had 305. Indeed, we thank God for this far.
Abana bo batabisa omogokobo na barobo nigo barua okogania kwabo gochimutu.
I scored 401 in KCP. I'd like to thank God, my parents, my teachers and classmates for their support. And after high school, I'd like to be a doctor. Thank you.
I scored 389 marks. I would like to thank my teachers for making me to score that.
So I would like to thank my teachers, pupils, my fellow classmates, and God for making me alive till I scored my marks. I would like to go to Nyambari High School.
na intwe korwa egetaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo tukubaganiria Amayia kubaguchia kugendereria amasomo abo guchia mutu ginko reporteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV iletariane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamuno Mildred Momanyi hasorobochirwa senjera ayoboikiranu bono gotigana na mangana chisemina boigama temwa a KCPE turigereria ayanda bereka gokorekana asamangana yogoichani abasubati baberekorwa nsemo ya Western Kenya awamenyete asensemo ya Gesonso imeye county ya Kisii nigo babe kubyara litukulia lera nsemo ya Nyamataro aseganga yabo yogotumia asekagirebuna nigo bagotumia maryogo na kobaibera sacha oroboti rwa senchira yobwikirano
ekera nakwanira abasubati aba babere oyo omoga bakana mbamanyaini
N'umunyakirobo w'ikipigipigi okitudu cyace Mathias Evans Ototo akorera buna abasubati babere bakagere ko babayibi babwatwe nsemo ya Nyamataro nigoyo mobo atayabuna ereniga kweoni yakorende tali muibi na tali gotumia maryogo asobo ibi na nigo amenyete nsemo ya Gesonso
wempeleke tu kwa lodge alafu chukue shilingi 500 ama 1000. Jao chukua pesa mingi kuliko hapo. Mungu mmoja na hapa mbele ya Mungu. Hapa hakuna hata madawa yote hata kibeti ndio mkiangalia. Mimi naishi Gesonso.
Hele na nyango.
Abana boda boda kurwe nsemo ya Nyamataro ni go bakorera ekyo gya kolekana.
Musubati yo chago nyagwake simya ko matenga inchugo cha mata stage imbegete yange ntambe iga na agaswenta kamwamu tereba ikansa narangerio musacho yo na motaikara inchu
omusacho yo ni gate abuna ere ni garangario kure ensemo ya Kisumu buno munchinia tamanya buna ni gangainire buna agotomanya.
Kwa majina naitwa Benedict Oluoch natoka sehemu ya Kisumu huko nafanyanga kazi ya ujenzi. Sasa juzi kuna mamgila ninipigia simu ati yako na kazi Kisii. Na yeye alikuwa anasema ati yako busy atanipatia namba ya sister yake tukutane naye hapa Kisii. Anipatia hiyo plan, tuende kwa site, tupime hiyo site, tusome hiyo site plan, tuone vile tunaweza fanya hiyo kazi.
Nganjene bundi omo injini. Enyomba na dai unji ko pima mata, bono ne rongo chikorora. Twate yo musacho yo, kero ya roranga, byabeire bobe. Atene nie bigibigi, oso igoro. Onge akominyokane bigibigi. To kichipigipigi cyarenge ga isato twaminyokyo musubati ombaka bridge camp no twachiko mubwatera
orojo musacha buno oyo oruziri kubo yari negetabu nebuti achiko pimegas lero garoro gwereire ani gagwerwa
korengana nabana boda boda bo banyamataro ni gobate abuna eketari gekorege tangani umusubati yo kubarusia abantu chinsemo cyare asoko bangaina buna negasi agocha koba
omusubati oyo ditangani aruseti omo muragete korubusia mwakerete simi omo muro uyu ni gare gokore gasi ya wiring nyomba kera moruseti mo muro ya karubusia agachaga ikere stage ga mo muro ina kamweribu muna mwenderibu musubati oyo agasira igo tachieti komonyora
nigo ekagere buna ekene kyombe kya basubati obare chi county chinde asaba kubwaterana kwebera abasacha no nabo abo bisabo butukini go baikase nsemeyo na kubabeka byara basubati obaberekera kuri butuki weme bwachakiwe ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa sensemo ya Nyamataro imeye county ya Kisii iritirane nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha na togo tigana no robotiro inyirobona ekina kebwaterane te robotiro BBI ni go gegochigo ikerwa na kuna chwali tukolia nkyo ni go chinga kechi umo Solicitor General anyarega kubolia abakenya bagendere korali omurembe asatebire buna ni go baganyete okonacha wekinekyo
Achieving Vision 2030 na vile mnajua constitution yetu inasema ya kwamba ukifanya mambo ya maendeleo na saa mpango kama MTP lazima ufanye public participation. Kwa hivyo nimekuja hapa ku launch hiyo public participation ndio tupate mawazo kutoka kwa county na kwa wananchi wa Nyamira. Serikali inapita kila mahali. Leo nimekuja hapa, wenzangu wameenda kila county, all the 47 counties wameenda ndio kuchukua maoni, kujadiliana ndio tuone maendeleo itakuwa namna gani miaka 5 inayokuja. Kwa hivyo nawasihi na nawaomba wananchi wa Kenya tufanye uchaguzi kwa amani, na wanasiasa na waomba wakicha kuomba kula waombe kura kwa amani, kwa utulivu. Manake sasa ukiomba kura kwa nguvu, kwa matusi na fitina, hiyo haisaidii. Unajua sio serikali kufaulu. Tunataka haki ifanyike. Serikali imesema vile imesema kotini, na koti nayo ina maoni yake. Vile koti itakavyoamua, hiyo ndio haki itakuwa imefanyika. Kwa hivyo hatutasema kwamba serikali pengine imeshinda ama imeshindwa. Haki ndio itakuwa imeshinda.
Na gutigana noroboti ni gobono nainde ase ntundende gati yabagaka kurwase county ya Kisii warokane komomochia omo Kenya orasense ya Amerika maiga yogo kwana chinkwana na soko mochecheria omo soko mochecheria ngina Kenyatta ase ga sense ya Kenya nigo chinga keche waka obagikire ngane yo nagote abuna egetambukiro nigo kebwente koirwa.
Naomba watu waangalie ile maneno wanasema. Ametuudhi, tumesikia vibaya kama wakina mama wale tunasaa, wale tunachifunia. Aseke kusi tunasema uko hivyo nukuya. Sasa hii kisao yetu yake. Tunasema tulisaa vizuri yeye kweli. Tutachifunia yeye kweli. Tunamuomba akome hiyo kitu amezungumza, and on behalf of all Kisii women wale tumesaa watoto, we give our apologies na kusema hiyo si tabia yetu.
Tusisikie tena kitu kama hiki. Ikome kabisa, na tunaomba Mungu atulize roho ya huyu mtu ambaye alikuwa na tusi watu kwa njia kiasi hiki. Kwa hivyo yetu leo tumekataa hili jambo, na tumelikataa kutoka kwa roho ndani ya kwamba hiyo matusi sio yetu kama wa Kisii na sio yetu kama wa Kenya.
We are even ashamed to say that joy comes from Kisii land. Joy has really put us down. Joy has degraded us. Joy has degraded the dignity of a woman, and we are really frustrated. I have appealed this habit to stop immediately.
Na boigo to kumulikira na kuligireria mangana arengete na siasa goikase county ya Nyamira mugimeno rep we county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi nigagendrete gote abunekia magia Jubilee nigokegendrete koiremeri ase county yo na nigate birebuna abantu bonse banyere kubwaterana anene asoko azimio la umoja koboka sobo chodi bonene buri bosio
na chore tune chama ya Jubilee na ende ndete ko bahakikishira nga Jubilee na ere very popular naenda abachumbe toko chikochora bono iga na abachumbe aba MCA abagavana ba senator they will come from wing ya Jubilee twakwanira mangana maya ayande ayango chakoleta gusiabwo gotebia abantu ba minto aspirants bali baro bakoli gichikura gwetera bojumbe bakoli gichikura gwetera aba MCA abagavana na ba women rep babole tikurwa se chama yeto ya Jubilee twakwanira mangana maya na ende twatebaniringa bono. We are starting kwa soe ground kukwanira abantu baito nganga kitoko ligichukura na ende niko twataba chikura ichira bachikoli guno bwororo asengencha bangina nabo morembe
Monchu muligereria hinyerabuna na mange twa kwaliganire tikolende chikoraga isato chia butukono chikoya nyora senchira yobo ikirano ekero gojikomera na John Kebati achiko kumanya senchira yobo ikirano ekero chiaragire chinza isato chia bono butuko wali mwansi twa bwaterana asemesa ya mangana mayanko bakirambye mono na yo muligereria sogo chora ko yatengera kurwa Ndizi TV obwansu bo mugusibu na botambe to bwati gwetera sensemo yemte sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News na bagi na Ndizi TV News na bono uchinsemo chirichia mache ngumbo tunarowetera www.ndizitv.or.ke olitobwaterana kuro somo no bwimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua auta ninjetiga yake rumusumali gabo tomera ndi tukolia nkyo chinse ikomichia margoba korendo isato chabo tuko igochikomera na John Kebati gendrago tengera Ndizi TV obwansu wo mugusire tirane nkorko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi.